If you've tried to follow someone on Instagram who has a private account, you'll have sent them a follow request. Want to check on your requests or cancel one? I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to see your sent follow requests on Instagram. Now let's get started. To see your sent follow requests on Instagram, open the Instagram app and go to your profile. Tap the menu icon in the top right corner. Then select your activity. Scroll to the bottom and select Download Your Information. Tap Download or Transfer Information. Select some of your information. Scroll down and select Followers and Following. Then tap Next. Select Download to Device, then tap Next. Choose the date range you want data from. By default, it'll be information from the past year. Then tap Create Files. Instagram will then create a file with your data and will notify you through email when it's ready to be downloaded. When you receive the email, tap Download Your Information. Then download the file in your browser. If prompted, re-enter your password. When the download is complete, open the zipped file with your data. Select the Connections folder. Then open Followers and Following. Open the Recent Follow Request file to see recent requests that were accepted, or Pending Follow Requests to see any follow requests you've sent that are still pending. That's all it takes to view your sent follow requests on Instagram. For more helpful Instagram tips and tricks, check out our full playlist of Instagram tutorials. Click the playlist on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every week.